What if I told you the technologies shaping the next decade aren't just concepts, they are already here? Can artificial intelligence truly replace human jobs? Will clean energy save the planet, or is it already too late? And could quantum computing crack every digital system we rely on, creating a global cybersecurity crisis? These questions aren't just theoretical, urgent, and they're shaping the future right now. Let's dive into the 10 technologies that will define the next decade. Welcome to Up-to-Date Insider, where we break down the biggest stories shaping your world. We're exploring 10 groundbreaking technologies that are set to transform industries, economies, and daily life as we know it. And if you're excited about understanding the future, why not subscribe? It's free and it ensures you won't miss our weekly insights into tech, politics, and global trends. Let's start with the most obvious game changer. Artificial intelligence. AI isn't just about chatbots or self-driving cars anymore. By 2030, AI could handle over 50% of repetitive human tasks, revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and even creative work. Here's the mind-blowing part. AI is expected to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's larger than the economies of India and Germany combined. If AI fascinates you, drop a comment below. What's one task you'd want AI to take off your plate? Next, let's talk about quantum computing, the technology poised to revolutionize problem solving. Unlike traditional computers, quantum computers process information in qubits, enabling them to tackle problems no regular computer could solve. For example, Google's Sycamore quantum computer solved a problem in just 200 seconds. That would take the fastest supercomputer 10,000 years. But here's the catch. Quantum computing could make today's encryption obsolete, putting the security of financial systems and personal data at risk. The question is, will we adapt fast enough? Now, let's move to clean energy, the technology that could save our planet. Fusion energy, a concept that once felt like science fiction, is now closer than ever. Scientists predict that fusion reactors could produce limitless clean energy with zero emissions. It's not just fusion. Electric vehicles are set to dominate the market, with EVs projected to account for 60% of new car sales globally by 2030. If clean energy excites you, stay tuned for our upcoming deep dive into fusion and EV tech. Don't miss it. Biotechnology is another technology poised to redefine our world. Gene editing tools like CRISPR have already cured hereditary blindness in trials, and they are now targeting genetic disorder once thought incurable. Here's the ethical dilemma. Should we enhance humans beyond natural limits, or should there be boundaries? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I'd really appreciate if you could hit the like button to support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the stories shaping our world. Wait, imagine a world where governance isn't controlled by politicians but by transparent, unalterable algorithms. Scary or revolutionary? Let us know in the comments. Number 5. Space exploration. SpaceX and NASA are making interplanetary travel a reality. Did you know the global space economy is projected to hit $1 trillion by 2030? But here's the question. Should we invest in space exploration while there's so much to fix here on Earth? Number 6. Blockchain technology. Blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrency anymore. It's set to revolutionize finance, voting systems, and even supply chain management. But can it truly eliminate fraud and corruption? Number 7. Augmented reality and virtual reality. Imagine a world where AR glasses replaces smartphones. By 2030, AR and VR will redefine entertainment, remote work, and even healthcare. Number 8. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars are here, but the question is, how do we make them safe and reliable for everyone? Number 9. Internet of Things. By 2030, there will be over 125 billion IoT devices worldwide. From smart homes to connected factories, IoT is making life more efficient. But at what cost to privacy? Number 10. 3D printing. 3D printers can now build houses in less than 24 hours. Imagine solving houses shortages with just a machine. That's the power of 3D printing. The next decade will be defined by these 10 technologies. But here's the real question. How do they work together? Could AI, blockchain, and IoT combine to create a world we can't yet imagine? I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button to support the channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the stories shaping. Which of these technologies excites you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments.